Hi guys, today we are making a spinach sweet corn lagan. In the bowl I have 2 cups of spinach together with some dhania or coriander. To that add in finely chopped up onions, finely chopped up green chilies, as well as crushed ginger and garlic, turmeric powder and baking powder, salt and sugar. Mix this in. Next add in the gram flour and semolina and mix. Now mix in the can of corn, followed by the oil, and lastly the self-raising flour, and just mix everything in. Spoon this into a greased dish. Sprinkle on some sesame seeds and bake at 180 degrees for between 35 and 40 minutes. I hope you give this a try.